peeps and peepettes? How's everybody doing today? I finally moved into my new place. It's a master, and this right here is a master bedroom suite. I'm going to put the King Koil air mattress right behind me. Right over there. And then, now behind me again, I will put a nice TV right over there. So I'm going to set up the King Koil air mattress in this vlog. I would like to say that I've had it about a little over a month. On the first full day of having it, I had to inflate it just a little bit, but that in the instructions it says that that's normal. And I would say it wasn't until about a month that I had to put a little more air into it, and after I did that, it's been fine. So I have no issues with it at all, and at least to me, in my opinion, it seems like just any good quality, like actual mattress. So thumbs up. Now again, it's only a little over a month. I'm going to periodically do updated reviews, so if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so I'm settled in, and I am going to start the inflation process. Alright, I'm going to open the inflation valve, turn this on. So right now it is 2:15. I will be back when this is fully inflated. All right, and right now it is 2:17. Just about done. Maybe like another 30 seconds or so. Or less. Yeah, that should do it. Nah. 15 seconds. All right. Nice and firm. Just how I like it.